Hi children, today we are discussing about the lesson from maths, that is the chapter name is money for 5th standard. Okay, we know that the basic things about money, why we have transacted the money. So to buy and so take some things, so for that we have to give some money. Is it right? So for that we have to detailedly study about this money. We know that children, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So these things you have to remember in your mind. That is 1 rupee is equal to how much? 100 paisa. In India, the unit of money is rupees. When compared to other countries, so we can name it as euro, dollar, like that. In our country, India, the unit of money is what? Rupees. Rupees. It is denoted by this letter. And so for the paisa, we can write P. For the paisa, we are denoting the letter P. We write rupees and paisa together by separate by a dot. For example, rupees 35, 15 paisa. 15 paisa. This rupee and paisa is separated by a dot. Okay, children. So for the here are some examples. Ragini buys a book for rupees 12, 50 paisa, and a pen for rupees 28, 75 paisa, and a pencil for rupees 3, 25 paisa. What is the total cost of all these articles? Which are the articles here? Book, pen, and pencil. The cost of this is a statement problem. We have to write like this. The cost of book is how much, children? Write down rupees 12 dot, that is a point, rupees 12, 50 paisa. And then cost of a pen, cost of the pen how much? Rupees. Write down in the current place 28.75 paisa. And then cost of pencil. Cost of the pencil is rupees. Write down 3 in the unit place. 3.25 paisa. Now we have to add these. We get the total cost of all these articles. Okay, children. Total is equal to how much? Write down the rupee paisa symbol. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 further, 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 5. 13 plus 2, 15. For that, 5. Write down point here. 1. Again 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, how much? 11. 11 plus 3, 14. For that, 14, 4. Again here 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. The final answer is 44 rupees 50 paisa. Therefore, the total cost of all these articles is rupees 44, 50 paisa. Okay, children. So, like from exercise number 5.1. So we know the symbol, and also 1 rupee is equal to how much? 100 paisa. Let us do some exercise sums. From exercise number 5.1. First one, read the question. Sum of rupees 13.25 paisa and rupees 6, 30 paisa, and then rupees 10, 40 paisa. Next, so write down the total. Sum means what? What we have to do? Addition. Write down the rupees symbol above. Write down 13.25. Here write down paisa symbol. Below 3 we have to write 6.30 and then 10.40. Now add 5 plus 0 we get 5. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 4 9. Point. 3 plus 6 9. And then 1 plus 1 2. Therefore the answer is rupees 95 paisa. Okay. Answer is rupees 29.95 paisa. Okay. And then next, difference. Difference means what we have to do? Subtraction. Difference of rupees 78.45 and rupees 69.70. See children, here which is the minute and subtrahend? Here bigger one, bigger number should be write in minute and the smaller one we can write in the subtrahend place. Write down the rupees symbol and paisa symbol. Rupees is 78.45. Below that 69.70. And now we have to what we have to do now? Subtraction. Difference means subtraction. 5 minus 0 we get 5. Here 4 minus 7 it is not possible. Take borrow from the nearest one. This 8 becomes how much? 7. This 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 7. Point. And here 7 is there. So this 7 becomes 6. This becomes 17. 17 minus 8 becomes 17 minus 9 becomes 8. 6 minus 6 0. Answer is rupees 8.75 paisa. Okay children. And next we have to multiply the money. Now we have to multiply. So here this one is addition and second one is the subtraction. Product. Find the product. Third one is product of. Product means what? We have to do now multiplication. Rupees 147.25 and rupees 17.25. 17 that much. Okay. See children, read the question. Product of. Product means we have to do the multiplication. Write down the number 147.25 into 17. So first we have to multiply by 7. 7 5 is a 35. Write down 5 3 carry. 7 2 is a 14. 14 plus 3 17. Again 1 carry. 7 7 is a 49 plus 1 50. 5 carry. 7 4 is a 28. 28 plus 5 33. 33 3 carry. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 3 becomes how much? 10. Okay. And then multiply by the number 1. Given place. 1 5 is a 5. 1 2 is a 2. 1 7 is a 7. 1 4 is a 4. 1 1 is a 1. Now we have to add because the multiplication is a repeated process of addition. And then 5. 7 plus 5 12. 1 plus 3 2 3. 3 plus 7 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 4 5. 2. So here we have to leave 2 places because point is there now 1 2. Here also in answer we have to leave 2 places. Answer is rupees 2503.25 paisa. Next, quotient of. Quotient means what? We have to divide. Find the quotient of rupees 4960 divided by rupees 8. Write down the dividend 4960. Divisor is 8. 8 4s are how much children? 8 4s are 36. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 6s are 48. Remainder is 1. Take 6 down. 8 2s are 16. And take 0 down. 8 zeros are 0. Quotient is how much? Answer is rupees 620. Like that we have to do addition, subtraction and others. Okay. In the next main, subtraction. Here is a question. Read the question. Subtract rupees 95.80 from the sum of 279 5 paisa and rupees 103.25 paisa. Okay, first we have to do what? Second way. Add the 200. Add first rupees 279 5 paisa to 103.25 paisa. Okay. First we have to add these and then subtract rupees 95.8 from this total. Okay. 5 plus 5 0. 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3. 9 plus 3 12. 1. 1 plus 7 8. 3 rupees. 382.30 paisa. So now we have to subtract 95.25 from this addition. Okay, here 0 is there, so this becomes 10, this becomes 2, 10 minus 5, 5, 2 minus 2, 0, point. Here 2 is there, take borrow from the nearest one, this 8 becomes 7, this 2 becomes 12, 12 minus 12 how much? 7, this 17. This becomes 2, this 7 becomes 17, 17 minus 9, 8, and then this 2 as the answer is rupees 287, 5 paisa. So somewhere we have to express the rupees in paisa, in terms of paisa. Okay. First one, express rupees 32 in paisa. P-A-I-S-E, paisa. Children, we know that rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa or paise. Okay, we know that 1 rupee is equal to how much? 100 paisa. So far we can calculate for how much, children? For 32 paisa. 32 in rupees. So 32 into 100. 3,200 paisa. Multiply 0 to this 32 and after that we can multiply 1 to 32 to get the answer 3,200 paisa. Okay. Here is a statement, son. Read the question. I had rupees 625 with me. My father gave some amount, that is 450.75 paisa for a pocket money. What is the total amount with me? For example, here money with Reena. Money with Reena. How much? Rupees 625. But her father give how much? Father gave the money how much? Rupees 450.75 paisa. Add this one, we get the total money with Reena. Okay. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 7, 7. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 6 plus 4, 10. Answer is how much? 1,075 rupees, 75 paisa. Okay, like that you have to add all the monies and then Varun bought sweets for rupees 475 paisa. 400 rupees 475 5 paisa. He paid rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. But the cost of sweet is how much? Rupees 475. But he paid to the shopkeeper is rupees 500. So what change should be given? Got back from the shopkeeper. So Varun bought sweets for how much? Varun bought sweets for rupees 475 5 paisa, and he paid to the shopkeeper. He paid to the shopkeeper, that is rupees 500. But the change given bought by the shopkeeper is further here, which is the minute children. The bigger number should be right in minute place. To avoid the confusion, write zeros and then subtract 475 from 500. Okay, 475 5 paisa by this number. Children, here is 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Take borrow from the nearest one. But this also 0. Here also 0. Take from this 100 place. That is 5. This 5 becomes 4. These numbers becomes 9. Because they are given the number 10 to the unit place. Here 10. 10 minus 5 becomes 5. 9 minus 5 becomes 4. Write down point. 9 minus 7, 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Answer is how much? Rupees 24 5 paisa. The shopkeeper should return back to the who's that? Varun. Return back to Varun is how much, children? The change returned, that is rupees 24 5 paisa. Clear, children? So like that we have to solve one by one. Here are some sums. Children, the cost of an egg is rupees 4. The cost of an egg is 1. Cost of one egg is rupees 4. Cost of a dozen egg is how much? Children, we know that 1 dozen is equal to 12. 1 dozen is equal to 12. 1 dozen is equal to 12 eggs. The cost of one egg is, the cost of an egg is rupees 4. Now we have to calculate for 1 dozen egg. Further, write down 12 into 4. 4 twos are how much? 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. Therefore, the cost of a dozen egg is rupees 48. To find a dozen means, we know children, dozen means 12 eggs. And then next one, the cost of umbrella is rupees 225. What is the cost of 15 umbrella? Cost of 1 umbrella. Cost of 1 umbrella is equal to rupees 225. So cost of 15 umbrella. Cost of 15 umbrella is, write down 225 into 15. 225 into 15. 5 5 is a 25. Write down 5 here, 2 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 1 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. And then even place 5 1s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. Now we have to add. Here 7 plus 5, 2 plus 7, 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 2, 3, here 1 plus 2, 3. The final answer is, the cost of 15 umbrella is rupees 3,375. The cost of 15 umbrella is rupees 3,375. Next, the government higher primary school sanctioned a scholarship for amount rupees 4,000 for 10 students. For how much, children? A government school has sanctioned rupees 4,000 for how many students? For 10 students. how much amount did each one get? So we have to divide 4,000 to 10 parts. Okay. So the total amount is how much? That is rupees 4,000. And then for the, we have to calculate for 10 students. For 10 students, this 4,000 is divided into 10. Okay, 4,000 divided by 10. Easily we can divide this one. 10 fours are 40. 10 fours are 40. Take 0 down. It is not possible. 10 zeros are 0. Again take 0 down. Here 10 zeros are 0. Remainder becomes what? 0. The quotient becomes 400. Therefore, the amount which is divided for each student, that is rupees 400. Next, here are bills, children. Note the bill. So the slip given to the customer by the shopkeeper with all the details is called a bill. The slip, we know that for example we buy our groceries in the shop, we can receive a bill. So bill includes all the details what we are purchased the things. Okay, it is a slip given to the customer. Okay, it is a slip given to the customer, the shopkeeper with all the details. Okay, with all the details, it may be quantity and then amount. Okay, so that is called as a bill. Here, if the cost of a dozen apple is rupees 39, what is the cost of one apple? So we can divide 96 by 12. So let us discuss about the bill here. So for the bill, we have to do some we have to write and learn some rules and regulations. If you are buying things, for example, if you are buying the particulars like pant, shirt, salwar suit, etc., the quantity also write in the next column, and then rate in the next column, and then total amount in the next column. So first one is, here is from Ambika Textiles. Ambika Textiles, number 909. Customer name is, customer name also write down. Alisha, customer name is Alisha. On the right side of the bill, a date is mentioned. Date is 8/3/2021. In the column we can see the serial number 1, 2, 3. Particulars are pant, shirt, salwar suit. Yes. And then in the next column, quantity. Quantity 1 pant, 1 shirt, 1 salwar suit. And then write down for each one quantity. So rate 375. Next for shirt 143. For salwar suit 220. So now we have to count the total amount here. So in the next column, amount, write down. For here we have to multiply for quantity. 375 also 375. Here if the quantity 2 is there, if here we consider 2, multiply 375 into 2. We get the amount for 2 pants. Okay. Write down 375 0.00. And if you take here shirt to shirt, multiply 143 into 2, we get the amount for 2 shirts. Okay. Here 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Answer is 286. 286. And then salwar suit for 280. And then we have to calculate the total amount to the shopkeeper. We have to give it to the shopkeeper. Write in the next column 0, 0, point, 5 plus 6, 11, write down the point, 1 carry, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24. So now that one we have to write down 4, 2 carry, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, the answer is rupees 941 rupees for these particulars. Here they will purchase only 1 pant, 2 shirts and then salwar suit. In the last column in words, write this total amount in words. That is in 941 rupees only. From below that, in the right side, there is a signature from the shopkeeper. Like that, how to fill these in the classroom. Here we can take some exercise sum, that is Rosie Fancy Store. Rosie Fancy Store. Write down first the serial number and then the particulars. First, in the left side, the number 179. Customer name is Reena. The shop name is Rosie Fancy Store. Fancy stores. Okay. And then below that first one is serial number 1, 2, 3. And then particulars. Bangles. And then earrings. Next one, rings, finger rings. Okay. Next, the bangles they will purchase right in the quantity place. 12, earrings 18, rings 10. Rings how much? 10. Next column is rate. For one bangle, rupees 4. How much? Rupees 4. For one earring set, rupees 9. Rupees 9. For one ring, the cost of one ring is how much? 16. 16 rupees. So then we have to write in the next column, that is the total amount. 12 fours are how much? 48. 18 nines are 162. 16 tens are 160. 16 tens are 160. Then total amount is zeros. 0.8 plus 2, 10. 0. 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. For that 7. Again 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. The total amount given to the Rosie Fancy Store is rupees 370. In words, we have to write 370 rupees only. And from below, the signature from the shopkeeper of Rosie Fancy Store. Okay, children, this is about of bill. Okay. So you have to collect some bill and stick in your classroom. Okay. So this is about of the money. And next class we will discuss about weight and volume. Thank you, children.